Number 1.
1992 Dodge Dakota, price $10,000, equipped with a 3.9L Magnum V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features rear-wheel drive and runs on gasoline, with a low odometer reading of just 65,000 miles. The truck comes with a clean title and is finished in a brown exterior color. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and it is well equipped with power windows, power locks, power steering, cruise control, trailer wiring, a front tow mount with wiring, and a long bed. The truck runs and drives perfectly. Recent maintenance includes a new battery and alternator, new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor button, along with a fresh oil change. The transmission fluid and filter have been replaced, the rear differential fluid has been changed, and the exterior has received 2 coats of wax, ensuring the vehicle is well cared for and ready to drive.
Number 2.
1973 Ford F250, price $10,000, powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and is finished in a classic orange paint color that highlights the iconic styling of these trucks. The vehicle is powered by its original 390 V8 engine, with the automatic transmission still in good working condition. It has recently received several updates, including new brakes, new tires, new rims, and a new battery. A new Holley carburetor was also recently installed, helping the truck run strong and reliably. The original air conditioning system has been removed. Despite its age, the truck is still regularly driven for odd jobs and daily use. It consistently attracts attention, as many people appreciate the vintage stripes, solid steel body, and timeless design that make these classic Ford trucks stand out.
Number 3.
1998 Nissan Frontier, price $9,500. This truck comes with a clean Florida title in hand and is powered by a reliable 2.4L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and a fully functional 4WD system. The truck has 147,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior paint.
It runs and drives very well, with both the manual transmission and 4-wheel drive operating smoothly. The air conditioning blows cold while the heater works great.
Recent maintenance includes a full tune-up, new drive belts, a new distributor cap and rotor, new spark plugs and wires, a fresh oil change, and new oil, fuel, and air filters. It also sits on brand new tires. Overall, this Frontier is a solid, well-maintained 4WD pickup with a clean title, ready for daily driving or light off-road use.
Number 4.
1989 Ford F250, price $10,000. This truck is equipped with a strong-running 460 V8 gasoline engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, with 79,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title. It features a properly functioning 4WD system that has proven reliable, especially in winter conditions. The truck has been used for personal and light business purposes such as camping and hauling and has been well cared for as a backup vehicle. The body and paint are in very good condition overall, with only some clear coat peeling and no signs of rust or prior damage. The interior remains in excellent shape with original factory upholstery, along with power steering and power brakes. Alloy wheels and tires with over 85% tread complete the setup. The only notable flaw is a slightly sagging headliner, but overall this is a solid, dependable classic Ford truck built to last.
Number 5.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $6,999, equipped with a 4WD drivetrain, manual transmission, and powered by a robust 4.0L V6 engine. With 256,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this white Ranger delivers strong low-end torque and proven durability, making it ideal for towing light loads, hauling materials, or cruising around town. Its compact chassis allows for nimble handling and better fuel economy compared to larger trucks, making it a practical choice for daily driving and outdoor activities. The interior and exterior are designed for utility and longevity, featuring durable seating, easy-to-clean surfaces, and a bed built to handle various projects. Overall, this Ranger combines practicality, mechanical simplicity, and versatility, offering dependable performance for work or recreation.
Number 6.
1996 GMC Sonoma, price $7,990, well-maintained truck with a clean title, featuring a classic white exterior and an automatic transmission for smooth driving. Powered by a reliable V6 4.3L naturally aspirated engine, it runs on gasoline and has been driven approximately 100,000 miles, showing that it still has plenty of life left. The air conditioning system blows cold, making it comfortable for both workdays and weekend drives.
Its extended cab provides additional interior space, perfect for carrying passengers or extra cargo.
Combining practicality and durability, this Sonoma would serve exceptionally well as a dependable work truck, a daily driver, or a versatile town cruiser.
Number 7.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $4,999, well-maintained pickup with a clean title and 157,000 miles on the odometer. It features a front-wheel drive layout and is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.3 Li4 engine paired with a manual transmission. The exterior is finished in classic white, complemented by 14-inch steel wheels and a rear step bumper for added convenience. This Ranger comes equipped with power brakes and rear ABS, enhancing safety and control. Approach lamps provide exterior entry lighting, while intermittent front wipers ensure clear visibility. Inside, the truck offers a driver-only airbag, a vinyl bench seat, and a durable interior. Overall, it combines practicality, reliability, and straightforward functionality in a compact and versatile package.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500. It is powered by a strong 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with a brand new automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. With 283,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has been exceptionally well maintained, both inside and out. Its original brown paint shines brilliantly on a flawless body, complemented by chrome and stainless bumpers in remarkable condition. The interior remains in excellent shape, with only minor wear on the driver's seat. As a Silverado model, it comes fully loaded with numerous features, including power steering, power brakes, power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, air conditioning, an AM/FM stereo, and a rear seat. Additional highlights include a matching Lear canopy, a tow package, and custom 22-inch wheels and tires.
Number 9.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $2,700. It comes with rear-wheel drive and a 2.5 L4-cylinder gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission. It has an odometer reading of 176,000 miles and is finished in a classic blue color, with a clean title, making it a straightforward and trustworthy choice. The truck runs and drives well, with the heating system fully functional, although the air conditioning needs some attention. Designed as an affordable and versatile vehicle, it can be used as is for daily driving or improved with minor updates. With its combination of reliability, manageable size, and solid condition, the Ranger offers a practical option for anyone seeking a smaller truck that performs well on the road.
Number 10.
1989 Nissan Pickup, price $2,995, powered by the factory-equipped 3.0L V6 SOHC 12-valve fuel-injected engine, mated to its original transmission. The truck retains its dependable, straightforward mechanical setup that made late 1980s Nissan trucks known for long-term reliability, including power steering, front disc and rear drum brakes, and a durable steel bed and suspension designed for everyday work or light hauling. Inside, it features comfortable black cloth and vinyl seating, a factory AM/FM radio, and fully functional heating and air conditioning, offering both practicality and comfort. With under 201,000 miles, this pickup remains in excellent overall condition and is supported by a clean Carfax report.